Hey kids, let's learn about different fruits and their names. Apple for kids. Learn about fruits. Cherry for kids. Learn about fruits. Kiwi for kids. Learn about fruits. Mango for kids. Learn about fruits. Grapes for kids. Learn about fruits. Pineapple for kids. Learn about fruits. Strawberry for kids. Learn about fruits. Orange for kids. Learn about fruits. Wait, please. Watermelon for kids. Learn about fruits. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos.